Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here to do a hair tutorial on this very sleek bun that I've been doing for the past week. Like, I literally love this hairstyle so much. Like, it's so simple, so easy, and I just love how professional it looks and grown and sexy. Like, I love it. So stay tuned for the tutorial. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and let me know what videos you want to see next in the comments down below. And thank you guys so much for watching again, and see you guys soon. And today we're gonna do like a very sleek back bun, and Eco Styler is the thing that I use to slick back my hair. I'm gonna need a little tail comb with like something to really part your hair. And this brush is super dirty, so I'm gonna give it this little fast spin. A paddle brush is essential because I need to like detangle my hair. And yeah. And then you're gonna need a soft brush that I'm pretty sure I had for like years. So when I part my hair, I do like a little slant part. I don't just do like a straight line is what I'm trying to say. So I'm just going to kind of like brush my hair in the direction that the ponytail is going to lay in, I guess. You know, just so I have a little outline of how I want it to look. Sometimes the part doesn't look that good, so then I'll like straighten it out a little bit because sometimes the curved part looks crazy. So now we're gonna like straighten it out. And that to me looks good, so we're gonna stick to that. So with the Eco Styler gel, I literally take some, like I use about this much, like not that much. I don't know if you guys can even see that, but I use that much. And I'm gonna lift my hair up and I'm gonna put it directly on my edges because I want my hair to stick to this part. Then I'm gonna put a little bit on this side, not too much, because this side of my hair is so thin, my edges. I'm currently doing like treatments to like grow them thicker, like Jamaican castor oil and stuff. So if it works, I'll tell you guys how it went, because this edges on this side is really thinning. And I know it's from me wearing a lot of like sew-in weaves over the years. So I decided to stop wearing weaves so much, and I'm gonna just let my hair grow out and just take care of it. So now I'm just putting a little bit extra gel because I want it to be really slick, you know, sleek and slick. So I kind of put my hair on my skin, on my face a little bit, like because I just want it to look, I don't know how I want it to look, but I like when it's on my face a bit. And I kind of put like some of my hair over, but I want to leave some of my little baby hairs out, or sideburns rather. So now we're just licking the hair back. So this side is going good, as you can tell. It's laid, it's staying where it needs to be. This is the side that I have problems with because this side is obviously thin. I don't want to look like I'm balding, so I have to be careful how I lay the hair. So as you can see, I'm kind of laying the hair forward this way because I want to look like I'm not balding. So it's kind of like a little illusion trick. And I kind of just put it back that way. Now, if I do it too much, you're going to see like how thin my edges are. And I hate that. So I'm just going to like put it forward a bit. And then I'm just going to make sure that this part is staying down. Then I'm gonna leave some of my hair forward and put the rest back. So sometimes I leave my hair in like an actual ponytail like that, but today I think I wanna do like an actual like low ponytail bun. So I'm gonna bun it up. I don't want it to be hanging out. So just so the nape of your neck isn't like dry and crusty, you wanna put some gel there too, just to kind of like smooth it down, because you don't want your front of your hair to be looking nice and smooth and then your back look all ratchet. Like, that's not cute. All right, so I'm pretty much fine with how everything's laying down. So now I'm just going to take my hair and I'm literally just going to put it in a little scrunchie or a ponytail holder, whatever you call it. That's basically how I'm going to put it away. And yeah, I wrap it about 10 times. Because I just like when my ponytail is tight. I like to feel like my ponytail is on my head. Okay, so now that we finished the ponytail, that's pretty much all we're gonna do for the ponytail. Now I'm just gonna go back in with like the little brush, and I'm just gonna like, you know, do some little baby hair stuff. I don't know, little squiggles. I'm not good at baby hair, so I'm not gonna do too much. But I try to at least follow my natural baby hairs. I don't really try to do too much. Like, I don't want it to look crazy. All right, so that brush isn't laying the baby hairs that well, so we're gonna go in with a little spoolie. All right, I think that looks good. Okay, Octavia, I see you, girl. This does them really well. I'm gonna start using this from now on. All right, I'm gonna go back in with this too, because honestly, I feel like you guys can see that I'm balding. Guys, I'm going bald. All right, let's see. I'm very proud of myself. My bun has never looked this good. All right, so nice and sleek. And I hope you guys enjoy this video.